speaking with Dr. Rey Donne Assistant Professor in UST and a limnologist. Dr. Papa, what is a limnologist?
A limnologist is a scientist who studies freshwater ecosystems, so this includes lakes, rivers, streams, and ponds.
And what is so special about Taal Lake?
Because Lake Taal is considered as a volcanic lake, and tropical lakes are actually only 10% of the total number of lakes worldwide. Volcanic lakes in the tropics constitute another 10%. So Lake Taal belongs only to the 1% of the total number of lakes worldwide. So it's indeed a very rare kind of lake, it being both a tropical lake and a volcanic lake at the same time. Okay? They are formed by past or persisting volcanic activity, either by explosive excavation, which forms crater lakes. They can form caldera lakes by means of collapse, or they can also be formed by blockage of former waterways by mud or lava flow. So, volcanic activity in these lakes changes aspects or influences aspects of water chemistry. And Lake Taal has been studied by, first and foremost, by our Spanish conquerors as early as the 1700s. This was evidenced by the Murillo Velarde map. And the local parishes in the area of Lake Taal have also studied both the lake and the volcano, and they were the first ones to have documented the eruptions that have occurred in Lake Taal. Lake Taal was formerly known as Lake Bombon. It is the third largest lake in the Philippines. Its only outlet is through the Pansipit River, and it is considered also a decade volcano. There have been 33 recorded eruptions in the past 426 years, and its importance to limnologists lies with the fact that it contains a lake in an island within a larger lake. So this is indeed a very unique kind of ecosystem.
You mean the Crater Lake and Taal Lake?
Yes, the Crater Lake and Taal Lake.
Has the Crater Lake been studied in terms of biodiversity?
The Crater Lake cannot be considered as home to a lot of life forms, except for thermophilic bacteria, for example, or exthermophiles, those that live in extreme environments, and because of the low pH and other characteristics of a crater lake, it can host a very limited forms of life.